Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is volatile. It is pronounced vol-a-tile and spelt V-O-L-A-T-I-L-E. Think vol, then the letter A, and then tile. Volatile means likely to change quickly and unpredictably, or to be easily excited or angered. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is unpredictable or someone whose mood changes suddenly. For example, you could say, the weather in England is volatile and can change suddenly from sunny to rainy. Or, the volcano was volatile and could erupt at any moment. The word volatile comes from the Latin word volatilis, which means flying or light. However, the word has been used in English since the 16th century to also describe something that is likely to change quickly. In the show Adventure Time, the character Princess Bubblegum can be described as volatile because she often changes her mind quickly and unpredictably. Her mood is not stable. Can you think of any other famous character that could be described as volatile? Synonyms for volatile include unstable, unpredictable, changeable, and temperamental. Antonyms include stable, consistent, steady, and calm. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, volatile. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.